Alright, it's been 10 minutes, so now that our vacuum is complete, we're gonna go to charge and see what it tells us to do. We have to pick select function, charge, 2 pounds, that's too much, 1 pound. We'll do 1 pound 5 ounces because that's the spec that it says, and then we'll see what it tells us to do next. Purging the air. We had no leaks because the needles stayed where they were supposed to stay, so now we're just waiting. It says charge in progress, do not disturb. So we're just waiting right now. You can see that it's adding Freon. One more ounce to go. Alright, so charge 1 pound. So now we have to equalize the hoses, so press start to do that. Disconnect the high side hose, it says. So we come over here and we would close this one. So that's what we're doing, close. Disconnect, just like the machine said to do. Put it back over here. It wants us to start the vehicle, so we're gonna go start the vehicle. If it'll start, it may not have adequate power. Then we're gonna go to the AC. I'm gonna put it on cold, turn it on max. It's on the max. And so we'll go back to the machine and press start to continue. So we're just waiting. Waiting for them to equalize. Low side is trying to equal to the high side. Alright, so the machine is telling us to